everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing Dhamakedaar Masaledar chicken, and it is one of the yummiest recipe that I have ever prepared, and I'm preparing this one again for you guys. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon so you can get notified about my new uploads. Also leave a comment when you try this recipe and hit like. So now for this I have taken 1.25 kg of chicken pieces. You can take any pieces, boneless pieces, mutton pieces. You can also prepare mutton by the same recipe, just that remember to make cuts on the chicken or mutton pieces like this I have made. Just put a slit using a knife so that marination can go inside. And one thing more, we will be marinating this chicken, but we'll be just marinating during our cooking time, so you need not marinate for 2 to 3 hours. No, not at all. Our marination will be very short time. So now for that I have taken 1/4 cup of curd. This is thick curd. You can use hung curd also. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And for the other masalas I have taken 1 cinnamon stick, 1 whole black cardamom and 4 green cardamoms, and juice of 1 whole lemon. About 4 green chilies I have made a slit on them. And for the spices I have taken 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can also use degi mirch if you want your chicken to be more in red tone, like red in color. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric, salt to taste. And over here I have taken about 3 to 4 large onions, and I have crushed them in grinder, so I have grind them well, and I'm not using any tomato in this recipe. So now let's start with our recipe. If you don't have grinder by your side, then you can also chop these onions very finely. No need to grind them. This is not an important step that you need to grind the onions. It is not necessary. If you can chop them finely. So now I have taken a big bowl into which I am putting in curd, lemon juice, all the spices that I've just shown you, and now dropping in the chicken pieces and mixing everything really well. We'll be not marinating it for a longer time. Just by the time our onions will be getting cooked, only till that time we'll be marinating this chicken. Rub the marination on chicken pieces nicely, and we'll keep it aside for the time being. By the time our onions will get cooked, cover it with a lid if you want, otherwise you can leave it like this also. Now let's start to roast our onions. Now our pot is ready, into which I'm dropping in the whole spices, and we'll roast them on low flame for about 2 minutes. You can put other spices also, like black pepper, clove and all those. So we'll roast them for about 2 minutes. Do it on low flame. Now without adding oil, I am adding in the grinded onions. Mixing everything well for about a minute so that the extra moisture can just evaporate. And then we'll be adding in our cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil, about 1 to 1.5 service spoon of cooking oil you will be needing. You can use mustard oil also if you want. And now we'll be frying our onions till they turn little bit on light golden color. And remember, keep stirring everything well. If you are doing it on high flame, keep stirring it, otherwise masala will get burnt. Once when you see that the onion masala has dried up, then you can add your green chilies, and we'll cook them with onion masala too. You can increase or decrease the level of spices according to your wish. Like if you want to add 2 green chilies, then it is okay, because everybody's taste is different. So do it as per your liking. When you can see a solid masala forming, and if you are using chopped onions, you can see your onions getting golden brown, then you will be adding in ginger garlic paste and will cook them well with it until the rawness of the masala vanishes. Like it will take about 7 to 9 minutes. So keep stirring. Once onions are roasted well, now dropping in our marination. Mixing everything well. And on medium to high flame, in between them, we'll let this chicken cook, because chicken will also release its own water, so we won't be adding any water into it. Now after mixing everything well, we'll let it cook. After mixing everything well, I'm going to cover it with lid and we'll let it simmer on very low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, but remember, keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, open the lid and sprinkle some chicken masala. If you have it, it's okay. This step is completely optional. Mix everything well and again cover it with lid. After 15 minutes, removing the lid and adding about half cup of water. If you want thick masala, then don't add water, just let your chicken cook. But I am looking for a bit of a gravy, so I have added about half cup of water, and now again we'll let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Covering it with lid again. After 15 minutes, our chicken is ready, and garnishing it with lots of roasted kasturi methi, and it's ready to serve. So friends, over here I have served my Dhamakedaar Masaledar chicken. So I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.